are we doing today, Dylan?
Fixing everybody else's problems, as I like to say. But nobody shows up when I have a problem. But that's just how life goes. We fixed the deck on this mower and we're out here giving it a test try. Somebody hit that and broke this all out, so we welded it up and bent all this in. We bent it out and welded a little brace in there, and I was worried about it might mess the flow of the grass up, but as you can tell, it's wet as crap out here, and I was mowing ryegrass that tall where we cleaned out to blow the combine off in the yard, so I believe it's going to be okay. It's another Joyce modification that worked. Today we're going to play the equipment shuffle game, or musical equipment. You can call it whatever you want. We got my 4650 in the back. We need to get it out and change oil in it. Need to get the planter out here in the center where we can unfold it and finish it up. Gonna unhook this water trailer and probably shove it back there in that back corner somewhere so that we got our service truck back and able to drive. I've missed driving it. It's kind of like our mobile shop on wheels. We don't have many tools and the actual tool. We just park the truck in many tools in the actual shop. We just park the truck in the shop and work off the truck. So we're gonna get to moving this equipment, and I guess we'll start with the old Gator. I don't know who parked it so close to this other Gator. Ow! But here we go. Let's see if she'll crank up. The amazing sound of a 57 horse Chinese engine. It's a stout son of a gun. But here we go, we're gonna back her out. My sister come down here to visit, so that's why the car's down here. We don't have much room to work around here. When my granddaddy started farming, he was using 4020s and 95 combine, then he upgraded to a 4400. And I don't think he ever thought the equipment would get as big as it has. Got my fertilized tanks there, got all my nitrogen and such in it, and the dumpster. I wish we had a better place to put that darn dumpster, but
there's a lot going on right now, and more than ever, people need their tax refunds.
What is going on with my phone?
Here to help get you every credit deduction and dollar you deserve as safely as possible. This includes easy options to drop off your documents at an office or work with the tax program.
I'm probably talking about the coronavirus.
And don't forget about
the coronavirus. It don't hardly matter how good a backer you are. If you get on camera, I can normally line up that gooseneck first time. The other day I was on the camera and I couldn't line up for it to save my life. But it's just hard to back with somebody watching you. He's about to get her though. We're having to relearn how to back that trailer because it was the old short thing, and most time if you wanted to back in to move 2 inches, it moved 4. But now it takes a long time for that back to start moving. Here comes old Pops. It's about lunchtime, so you know he's gonna show up. Oh, Joyce's cattle there. He'll park right in the way, just watch it. Told you. We got to finish hooking our planter up here where we can unfold it. As you can tell, we got several hoses. We got quite a bit going on with this planter. I like to call it the most high-tech old planter around. At least here in West Tennessee, most people run new ones. But we got that's filter for a hydraulic drive. Right back there. That turns my, that runs the seed population. I can turn it up and down from the cab. We used to have to use sprockets. And I love that hydraulic drive. I don't know what I'd do with that. And then there's our liquid fertilizer system. There's our pump for it. And there's all our control box in there. That's we got an electric control module. I mean, that controls that pump, speeds it up and slows it down as the tractor speeds up and down, and that's run through a microtrack display we used to use for spraying. Then we got our air compressor there for airbags on our sprayer. I mean on our planter. And really like them. It makes it easier, a whole lot easier to change down pressure. But this tractor's only got 3 hydraulics outlets, and we got to have 4 sets of hoses. So we got that splitter valve from Fosse. Got all the hoses color coded. It's not the easiest thing to hook up, but normally when we hook this planter up, it stays hooked up. It's pretty well the dedicated planting tractor. The drill and the planter, it hardly does anything else. But we'll get this thing hooked up and move it in a minute. Here's Chelsea dressed like a homeless person.
Got my hat.
She spent 6 years in school, no job yet. No.
I don't want to bash Chelsea thing.
She's a physician's assistant and she's going to get a job. She hadn't been graduated long, maybe a week.
I got a call yesterday about a part-time job, so.
See, her part-time job's going to be making as much as our full-time job, so I just say she works.
I work part-time.
That's what I do. Heck, we're working all the time.
That's right. Part-time, baby.
Yeah, pediatric clinic.
She wanted to be in our video, so we put her in the video.
Hello.
She was
part-time according to Nani. It don't pay enough, though.
That's Nani shops on Amazon too much.
Edit
that one out. That you can edit out.
Bob just hooked up the Rawson hydraulic drive. Now he's trying to hook up the planter monitor. He has a terrible time with these things.
This thing's got an airbag on it?
It's got 8 airbags.
See, if you have a rig, it comes out.
That's not true. It's like what, brakes or something?
Quit fumbling. No, that's not brakes.
What's the air brake thing?
I will give you a lesson in planter airbags. It pushes down, and this will be good for our viewers at home too. It pushes down on the roll unit to put force on the gauge wheels and the disc openers to penetrate the ground. And with airbags, instead of getting out and adjusting the spring, you can use varying amounts of air.
Cool.
He finally got it. Now he's hooking up the air hose for airbags.
If I can find it. There it is.
Now those are important. They do the pressure so that it'll go down into the ground.
Everybody wants to be a critic. Now we're hooking up all our electrical system.
Whoa!
And he hooked it up and you heard the air compressor just kick on.
Jesse, you want to see them air up? Well, they won't air up.
They won't air up till you hit the button in the cab. But I'll get Chelsea to film that for us. Said, who's calling, Bob?
Oh, come on, Granny.
breakfast over last night.
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Old Sam was saying that was the best. Watch how you do your rice. It's good. You see real rice in there. The El Champion.
Let's go eat one.
Where we?
There's the cop to arrest you, Walt. Yeah, make another circle. No,
Oh, I thought it's
come
funny.
on, Bob. Get in trouble.
They done hit the
Well,
thing.
you're gonna have to pick one. Well, I was fixing to pull on that one, but the dude done hit the.
He's done hit the
hit the
thing.
sign?
Yeah, he's right on it.
Well,
What we gonna eat, Walt?
cookie.
You want corn dogs for a corn dog?
Look at her chest and get her a 50-cent corn dog.
Well, they ain't 50 cents today, so I can't get it.
Lord have mercy.
It was the end of the world.
It was not the end of the world. I just said if I couldn't have a 50-cent corn dog, then I'll eat for free at the house.
I want the number.
Here we are locked in the truck eating at Sonic because everywhere else is shut down because of the corona. We just spent $41 at the Sonic. Oh, the money's blowing away.
Grab the money.
I'm used to that feeling. I just watch my money blow away all the time. Floof. You leave my money alone, corn dog.
I never saw $1 and somehow I got $150,000 worth of debt.
Hey, that's live.
That's life.
It's bad to spend money that you don't even see.
Yeah. I ain't never seen it. I just.
This is gonna be a long video this week, guys.
When are we gonna? It ain't perfect, but we got the floors swept out. It's hard to get these floors cleaned when they keep sweating like they do. They tend to sweat pretty bad in the springtime, all that heating up and cooling down, but at least we ain't working in mud no more. But we got the 4650 out, fixing to change oil in it, fuel filters, hydraulic filter. Got the planter back there in the corner, boxes on it, chains oiled and greased. She's just ready for some dry weather. Planting tractor, it's been serviced. Oil change, fuel filters, hydraulic filters. She really needs washing, but I doubt we'll get it done.